Magandang hapon po ng Saturday, May 18, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, May 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 18, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, May 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 53 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, May 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Saturday, May 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.